The Interior Department has ordered the National Police to intensify its efforts against loose and illegal firearms. This comes on the back of a string of ambushes on local government officials last week. DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos said that the campaign must be intensified, specifically in Mindanao. He added that he has directed the PNP to increase police visibility in communities. Lanao del Sur Governor Mamintal Alonto Adiong, Apari Cagayan Vice Mayor Romel Alameda, and Mayor Otto Montawal of Tunggul, Maguindanao del Sur were all recently ambushed. Alameda did not survive the attack.
Walang humpay na pag-iimbestiga ito. Talagang lahat ng anggulo tinitignan at hindi lamang yon, yung mga loose firearms na yan, talagang may kampanya tayo dyan.